Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding bikes under $500 that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike. Schwinn is dedicated to developing folding bicycle that allows the user to experience the freedom and confidence that is connected with riding a bicycle. Discover the utility and convenience of the Loop folding bicycle from Schwinn. In just 1 or 2 easy steps, this folds out to the bicycle that's large enough to support a 6-foot rider. With this bike, it is ideal for raving or camping, or this long-lasting, steel bike collapses so small for storage. It can cut through brisk gales and tackle small hills easily. Appreciations to a Shimano Tourney rear derailleur, and Shimano Revo Shift 7-speed twist shifter. Moving on at number 4, we have Origami Gazelle Aluminum Folding Bicycle. Do you need a convenient folding bike that you can carry with to any place? Origami Gazelle 20 inches is a top-rated foldable bike that will offer a great riding experience. The bike has a total of 7 speeds that you can adjust for a great ride. In addition to this, it has a weight capacity of 250 pounds, which suits it for both kids and adults. More interestingly, the bike has 20 inches large wheels that will easily maneuver on every terrain. What is more, it is a lightweight bike with aluminum frames to serve you better and efficiently. At number 3, we have Savadec Folding Bike. Do you need a reliable, convenient folding bike that will serve accordingly? This is a great product designed using the highest quality of T800 carbon fiber material that brings about great stability. The foldable frames mean that you can easily fold for portability or storage. Moreover, it is a breeze to assemble in minutes, and with the comfy saddle, it offers great comfort. The bike has 22 speeds, which means that you get to adjust to the required speed. Also, the bike has premium hydraulic brakes for safety needs. At number 2, we have Camp 20 inches Folding Bike. This lightweight folding bike from Camp comes while 100% assembled, relieving you the assembling procedure. It is built with an extraordinary frame that looks precisely like a carbon frame. Not only does it come with Shimano 9-speed shifter but also Shimano Altus 9-speed gears. What's more, this folding bike features a lightweight frame. It also has an adjustable stem that can fit cyclists' height of 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. For safety consideration, this folding bike aluminum V-brakes on both rear and front wheels and alloy dual-wall CNC rim on wheels as well. And finally at number 1, Kent Aluminum 7-speed Folding Bike. Kent Folding Bike is among the folding bike that requires small storage space but provides great riding experience. Never has it remained a better time for considering a folding bike. Rising fuel costs are making it tougher and tougher to own a vehicle these days. Luckily, these bikes have become the only option travelers and campers of all kinds. The folding bike from Kent is an ideal solution due to its space making. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.